Hey guys, welcome and or welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Ross back with another video. Finally getting a video to you guys out. It has been forever and a day since I have last done a video, and I apologize for that, but your girl had good reasons. The reasons being is that your girl was in the hospital. 2 surgeries I had to have done, and it took a lot out of me, and I was on bed rest for like 3 weeks. I'm finally just now sitting up and being able to eat regular food, not be on a whole bunch of medications and all that stuff, not be in pain. And I was actually able to drive a couple days ago, and it's just been a blessing to go through such a speedy recovery. I'm not fully recovered, but I am getting there, and I appreciate the Lord above, first of all, for getting me through those surgeries, as I was completely scared. But you know, things happen for a reason, and I'm praying that that never happens again. Trust me, the surgeries I had to have, I would not even wish on my worst enemies. But that's neither here nor there. We're not even gonna go ahead and talk about that. As you guys can tell from the bottom of the title, you guys already know this is nothing new. Usually when I get a package, it is from Makeup Revolution, and this video is no different. But this one is more special to me because, as you guys can tell, it is the collaboration with Tammi Clark, aka Makeup by Tammi, who's on YouTube here. I will link her channel down below. I'm really so excited, guys. Like, you guys, like when I saw her have her own palette, when she finally released the news and talked about it and did her videos for it, oh my gosh, I was so happy for her. I started to tear up. I'm like, this is what I want for my channel, hopefully future down the line. All the vloggers that Revolution Beauty has, I always turn to her. I just love her spirit. I just love her personality. She's like, I wish I could meet her because she just seems like such a sweet person overall. And I love her eye look. She does like the best like creative eye looks. Seeing her talk about her palette and her inspiration behind her palette and stuff like that just really like warmed my heart. I will link that video below down as well. So if you guys want to see any swatches of her, like any swatches of the shades in general, I will link that down below so you can see her swatch it herself. This is the Tammi and Revolution Beauty Tropical Paradise palette, rose gold packaging and her name stitch. And then you see this beautiful sunset, which, if you guys check out her video, this sunset is just what she wanted to do. Kind of reminded her back home, which was she has roots in Grenada. And she apologizes so much for always using her palette, or not always, but majority using her palettes whenever it comes to her eyeshadow look. And let me tell you this, girl, Tammi, if you are watching this video, which I hope you are, respectfully, I respect you so much. Girl, you do not need to apologize for anything at all. This is your baby. Be proud of it. Well, this is your third baby, but you get what I'm saying. This is your baby. Be proud of it. You have every right to be happy and to use it as much as you want. You can hit pan on it. You can hit, you know, you can drop it, break it accidentally, and you know, get another one for the heck of it and buy out the whole stock because you're so proud of it. This is your baby. You deserve to use it as much as you want, whenever you want, however you want, because this is your baby. You put your heart and your soul and your mind into this palette. You deserve every given piece of this. So do not apologize anymore on your YouTube channel for using your glorious palette, because you deserve it. Hands down, you deserve it. Oh my gosh, they got this thing like triple wrapped. All right, so I am now taking the palette out of the box, and first thing I already noticed is I just opened this palette with plastic wrap, and then I pulled out the palette, and then it has plastic wrap on it. First of all, because this packaging is so gorgeous, you guys can probably see the reflection of everything in my room, but you guys know I love Revolution Beauty's packaging. Hands down, they always have black and rose gold, or white and rose gold, or something in rose gold. And this is no different, but this is kind of different because Revolution has always had their eyeshadow palettes be like a black cover and then like rose gold writing. Tammi reversed the script and she did that. I love this. This is gorgeous packaging. And it does, I've seen her on her videos, it does get pretty fingerprinted-y. That's not a word, but I'm making it up today. So I'm going to be very careful touching this palette because we all know I love and I want to keep this palette clean. Just holding this palette is making me want to cry. Like, this is so beautiful. Once again, congratulations, Tammi. I'm older than her, so I want to call her little sister, but she's like doing bigger things than me. So I want to call her like big sister, because she's definitely not, you know, Mama Tammi or Grandma Tammi or Auntie Tammi. Like, I feel like we're on the same level of like age range, so I should call her like big sister Tammy. You're doing the dang thing, girl. So I'm really proud of you, and this packaging is absolutely gorgeous. From the box to this, like, it's absolutely gorgeous. All right, so there you guys have it. That is the palette in all its full glory, just looking as gorgeous as possible. It does come with the full-size mirror. That's what I am covering. So, but other than that, you guys can definitely tell how gorgeous these shades are, and it's just absolutely beautiful. Enough talking about the shades. I'm just gonna go ahead and create a look. Like I said, if you guys want to see swatches and everything, go ahead and please go support Tammy's channel and her video, and I will link that video down below so you can see the shades and the swatches and all of that. All right, to go ahead and get started with this palette, I'm going to first prime my eyes with the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in this shade C13. I have not bought any of the lighter shades yet, and I keep saying I'm going to. Usually don't prime my eyes, but I want to see how it reacts personally on my skin with a primed eye or with not a primed eye. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. So let's go ahead and start. I'm going to use my e.l.f. brushes. That's what I use the most. I want to use something I'm used to so I can give her a fair chance. I will definitely go ahead and either put the name or I'll put the box around the shade that I'm using at that current moment. But I'm just gonna go ahead and get through this so you guys don't have to be watching a long video. Definitely some kickback in the pan, but as much as this pigment is showing right now, I'm not upset with it. So if you are like, oh, it's too much kickback in the pan, then Makeup Revolution is probably not the product for you, even though the pigment definitely 100% pays off, in my opinion. Alright guys, so I am back with the overall and finished look. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Hope you guys like it. I had fun creating it. For those of you who have been waiting for the giveaway details, what I'm going to do, like I mentioned many times, is just go ahead and incorporate a link in the description box so you guys can go ahead to that link. I think this palette is definitely a banger. I hope you guys can pick it up if you guys are not the winners of this drawing. But I hope you guys can pick it up. It's definitely worth it. She is definitely somebody who definitely has earned her shine in the spotlight for this palette, as well as many other creative looks that she has done. This did not let me down at all. Makeup Revolution palettes really don't let me down at all. In general, you guys know I have a whole huge collection of Makeup Revolution products, but I am extremely happy to be blessed enough to buy this palette, to be blessed enough to support somebody who deserves it. And I really appreciate her for taking the time to go ahead and put her thoughts and her culture and just, you know, her type of style into a palette and just give us the best that she could give. And I hope to see more collaborations from her. I hope to see just more different things coming from her, because she's definitely a person, like I said, I love her personality. She just seems so outgoing. I wish I could meet her. I hope I can meet her soon. I just want you guys to just love this palette as much as I do, and I really want to give other people a chance just to love this palette as much as I do. This is gonna be my first giveaway, as well as my giveaway to support Tammy, as well as my giveaway to support my first year on YouTube. And I really appreciate you guys for watching my videos. Thank you so much for the comments. Thank you so much for the likes and the shares. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, I am your girl, J Ross. Please go ahead and follow me on social media. I will hopefully catch you guys in my next one. Peace. I'd like to thank my biggest supporter. They know who they are, who was there with me through every surgery, through every doctor's appointment, all the trips and trials, and me screaming and crying myself to sleep because I'm so in pain. Thank you so much for being there for me. I love you with all my heart. You know exactly who you are, and I'm glad to have you in my corner.